ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋದ ಹೋದ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಹಾಡು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಹಾಡು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಂಜು ಮುಂದೆನೇ ನೋಡು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಣ್ಣ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳು
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another fresh vlog. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. So on the occasion of my birthday, I wanted to do some charity or donate something, but that day we went to farm. So at least in this week or at least in July month, I want to do something. So right now I'm going to a orphanage which is in Bagalkot Road, Bijapur itself. I tried to contact them using the Google's phone number which they had displayed there, but no one picked up. I tried to contact another orphanage also and no one picked that number also. They were saying it's temporarily closed due to COVID, I believe. So what I'm thinking is I'll go to the orphanage and talk to the manager or who is present there. But unfortunately it's raining outside. So let's see, when the rain stops, I will leave. The same orphanage I had been there like 2 years ago, 2018, on the occasion of my birthday itself. It's 5 o'clock. I don't think it'll stop raining. It's still drizzling right now. Anyway, I'm going to the orphanage. So this is Bijapur's orphanage, one of the orphanage. Bagalkot Road near PDJ College. I talked to the person here. He said that few kids have gone home due to coronavirus and few are here. So you can get around 20, 30, 40 masks, he told, because now only few kids are there, but kids will be coming, so he will distribute when they come. So he was like, how much ever you want to get, around 30 to 40 masks, whenever kids come we will give them. So as I told you guys yesterday that I'm giving out masks on the occasion of my birthday to the orphanage. So first I thought I'll give it to only one orphanage that's near Bagalkot Road. It's called the Bijapur Orphanage. Then we contacted 2 more orphanages. So right now we'll give masks to 3 orphanages. So now I'm going to get masks, like around 100 or 120 masks we'll get. Then we'll distribute respectively to all the 3 orphanages. It depends upon how many children they have or how many people are there in the orphanage. So right now we are at Runwal's wholesale shop nearby, near Solapur Road, next to Solapur Road, in front of ASP campus. We took around 150 masks. If anyone wants to take mask, you can find them here in wholesale. It's like 10 rupees for single layer and 20 rupees per mask for double layer mask. So we have got 50 kgs of rice and 10 kgs of sugar for 2 orphanages. So we have arrived at the St. Joseph Health and Community Center and it's raining right now. It's an orphanage only where AIDS patients are taken care of.
Here all the art and craft works are done by the children itself during the lockdown.
During lockdown they did all this. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳು
I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಹಾಡು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಹಾಡು
So this is the garden of the health community center.
alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of
St. Joseph Health and Community Center is near industrial area next to denim factory nearby Indy Road. All our factories over here, you can see there. This is Indy Road, and from Indy Road you should take right and go there like 300 to 400 meters. You'll find the St. Joseph Health and Community Center. We distributed rice bags, sugar bags and masks. Because it is a HIV center, we are not supposed to show their face because they're HIV patients. So we asked their permission and we shot the video from behind. Now we are going to the second orphanage, which is the Bijapur Orphanage near Bagalkot Road. Arrived at Bijapur Orphanage, Bagalkot Road. So we are giving them sanitizers and masks. So this is the water filter for orphanage. So this type of a garden here, and the manager lives there. This is his office. People live there. So done with distribution of masks and sanitizers to orphanage near Bagalkot Road. There were only 3 to 4 children. They were like after 1 month or 2 months, all 30. There are total 35 children. So after 1 or 2 months, they'll come back. Now they have gone to their relatives' home due to the lockdown. Now heading towards the third orphanage, which is near Alamin Road. That's actually they are the same organization which I went for the first orphanage, the St. Joseph Health and Community Organization. The same organization. They have another branch near Alamin Road that was for male, and this is for female HIV patients.
Demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell, oh well. It's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself.
So done with distribution of mask, rice bags, sugar bags to the third orphanage that is called Navasanidhya Children's Home near Alamin College. And we are not allowed to meet the kids because of the COVID, and they were HIV patients. So there's a rule that we are not allowed to see them or meet them. So we need to respect the rule. So it's 7 PM right now, and I'm heading back home. So if you enjoyed this vlog, please do like the video, share the video, comment down below any of your opinions, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And on your birthdays or any special occasions, if you want to donate, please do donate to these orphanages because they need it the most. So until next time, take care, bye bye, spread love, spread positivity.
Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you